Hi guys, I'm Andre and today we're gonna make homemade mayo. It's gonna be a short video, but we're gonna use mayo in a lot of recipes, so you can use this as a reference. Alright, I've got here an egg yolk. I'm gonna add about a teaspoon of mustard. And I'm gonna use a damp paper towel as stabilizer for the bowl. I'm gonna start mixing and slowly drizzle in some neutral oil. I'm using rapeseed. Consistency that I'm looking for. Now we're gonna add some salt and pepper and some lemon juice. You could also add vinegar if you prefer. It. Could use a bit more salt. There it is, our beautiful homemade mayo. Okay, since I've made mayo, I'm gonna turn it into a, let's call it salad. Got some leftover chicken here. And some bell pepper, sweet corn and chives. And I'm gonna add all the mayo and mix. There you have it. Some nice homemade mayo used in a chicken, let's call it salad. Goes really well with toast. Please like this video, subscribe, and come back for the next one next week. Bye bye!